A minor works testing certificate is what you'll receive at the end of the job to ensure that everything I've done is safe and complies with the latest wiring regulations. So you'll have known that I have tested the circuit for continuity, earthing. I'll check your bonding and make sure everything's good there. And so I'm basically doing a check of your circuit to make sure that any new socket, any new lighting that I add complies with the regulations and is safe. Ultimately, that's the idea of a minor work certificate. If I'm coming to change a light fitting that's already there, and I'm not adding anything to the circuit or changing it in any way, I'm just changing a light, that's maintenance. So minor works testing isn't completed. And that's basically what it is. If you've got any further questions, give me a call or drop me an email. I'm happy to answer it.